Today I am taking the class of MS Office 2010. You know, Microsoft Office 210 includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. These four softwares must be uh, must must be learned very carefully so that you will do the job in anywhere for your job purpose or for your education purpose. Before that, uh, you follow how to open the Microsoft Word. Today I will teach you Microsoft Word 2010. If you learn one version, then you can operate all the versions as usual. Before that, uh, I am you can open the Microsoft Word 2010 in two ways. One from start bottom through all programs, or you can directly from desktop you press double click. You see open. So first one page has come. How to close this come? Go to file menu, sub menu will come. This is close. You follow. So in this is file menu, home menu, insert menu, page layout menu, reference, mailings, revenue, that are called as menus. You will also follow so file menu whose under you will see lot of sub menu like save as, open, close, new, print, save and send option exist. So how we will open the new? You open the file. You click on press new blank documents. You press create. Let's open. So you change the font. How? Bookman old style. I'll take Bookman old style. How to open? Write down. This is this is a good day. Full stop. Good. This is a good. So you can change your before change any size of the word. You select the full, then you press, you go to then you 16, you take 16. So you have seen in file menu how to open new, save, how to save or save as, open, close, new, print. You see this. Now I am going to second menu, home menu. You see a lot of tools are here. From here you can this sentence can be made as bold. Select bold. This bold हो गया. bold, click. Then I want to back, press bold, normal. You will see the normal. When you select this sentence, press under. That means you see underline. So I want to delete this underline. Then select, press, vanish. So likewise, you see, this is tool color. If you give color, you can give color, or you can change a color, various type colors. Here you can change uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, capitalize each word, toggle case, etc. However, this is the left margin. If you want to this sentence, if you want to keep in center, press center. Or if you can to right, press right. If you can press justify, justify. So likewise, each and every tools have special work. You will see in details how to change styles, find, replace, select. Now I am going to insert menu. So insert menu is open. You see table, how to insert table in the page, in the 1, 2, 3. Insert or enter name. I want to insert table 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Press. You see how to insert the table. Now, if you want to delete this table, select, then delete command. Vanish. If you want to delete this, del key, press del, vanish. Or if you want to enter, insert any picture from the menu. You see how to insert your embedded picture. Insert. You see a picture has been inserted automatically, or you select, you can increase or decrease as you like. Press. Now clip art, shape. If you want to insert shape, you same thing. Save, insert it, save. And if you want to increase this or decrease this as you like. Similarly, save, smart art, chart, screenshot, you as you like. Hyperlink, bookmark, cross reference, header, footage, page number, and text box. As you click, as you like. Word art, word art. Suppose you select this, you go to word art. The word art has come. Okay. So naturally, each and every tools can be worked as you like. Now I am going to page layout. How to page setup? You go to setup. You see margin. Top margin 1 inch, left margin 1 inch, bottom margin right. Okay. Or you can see your page setup. You can paper size, letter size, paper size as you like. Letter होते A4. Okay. Hello. You see. Next, orientation, column, break, now each and every alignment. Now I go to reference menu. This is not a important. So you will see all the tools and see what types of work are doing. Now I am going to mailings menu. Here while you will sending 50 letters, not only one. So then you have to go to mailing menu. So each and every you write down name, address. You make a list of name and address. Then you start mailing merge. Then this will print automatically one by one. Now you go to review menu. You will see lot of tools are here. You will see and do practice. Now I am going to view on page, arrange all, split the page, etc. Developer, you go to developer. Here you will see lot of tools that each tool have specific work. Now I am going to home menu. Home menu is the main page, and from here you will do type. You know how to save this page. You go to file menu, save. Now you can save in desktop, downloads, recent place, library, documents, music. Now documents. So you can a good file name is a good save. This means file has been saved. Now in this saving, if file name is a good, you can change the name by save as. The extension file name is .doc. So now I end the class. Basically, I have given an overview of this MS Word 2010, how to work, how to type. You see all the tools, each and every, then you will understand what tool have what works. Now I end the class for the day. Thank you so much.